Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meaning. Meaning, synonyms, antonyms, examples. January 13, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. 1. Princely, adjective.
Shahi, Shahana.
Relating to a prince. Example, the princely states of Pakistan. Synonyms, magnificent, grand, impressive, imposing, splendid, superb, majestic, glorious. Antonyms, poor, measly. 2. Austerity, noun.
Sadgi, Kifayat Shiari.
Sternness or severity of manner or attitude. Example, he was noted for his austerity and his authoritarianism. Synonyms, sternness, austereness, severity, strictness, grimness, seriousness, somberness. Antonyms, cheerfulness. 3. Suffocate, verb.
Habsdam, Galaghotna, Damghotna.
Die or cause to die from lack of air or inability to breathe. Example, they suffocated in their sleep. Synonyms, smother, asphyxiate, stifle, choke, strangle, throttle, strangulate, be smothered. Antonyms, breathe, loosen. 4. Assassinate.
Qatl.
Murder, especially of socially prominent persons. Synonyms, bump off, rub out, kill. Antonyms, add/begin, animate. 5. Stiff, adjective.
Sakht, Akra hua.
Not easily bent or changed in shape, rigid. Example, a stiff black collar. Synonyms, rigid, hard, firm, hardened, inelastic, non-flexible, inflexible, ungiving, impliable. Antonyms, flexible, plastic, limp. 6. Pliant, adjective.
Lachaddar, Narm, Morne ke qabil.
Easily influenced or directed, yielding. Example, a more pliant prime minister. Synonyms, compliant, biddable, docile, tractable, yielding, malleable, manageable, governable. Antonyms, inflexible, unyielding. 7. Perpetuate, verb.
Jari rakhna, Dawam, Hamesha rakhne wala.
Make something continue indefinitely. Example, the confusion was perpetuated through inadvertence. Synonyms, keep alive, keep going, keep in existence, preserve, conserve, sustain, maintain, continue. Antonyms, abolish, abrogate, annul, blot out. 8. Emblematic, adjective.
Shandar, Tasavvur, Alamati.
Serving as a symbol of a particular quality or concept, symbolic. Example, this case is emblematic of a larger problem. Synonyms, symbolic, representative, demonstrative, suggestive, symptomatic, indicative, typical. Antonyms, representational, realistic. 9. Predicament, noun.
Buri halat, Khatarnak surte hal.
A difficult, unpleasant, or embarrassing situation. Example, the club's financial predicament. Synonyms, difficult situation, awkward situation, mess, difficulty, problematic situation. Antonyms, advantage, agreement, benefit, blessing. 10. Rebellion, noun.
Inhiraf, Bagawat, Muzahamat.
An act of armed resistance to an established government or leader. Example, the authorities put down a rebellion by landless colonials. Synonyms, uprising, revolt, insurrection, mutiny, revolution, insurgents, insurgency, rising. Antonyms, obedience. 11. Defiance, noun.
Gitai, Bebaki, Sarkashi.
Open resistance, bold disobedience. Example, an act of defiance. Synonyms, resistance, opposition, confrontation, non-compliance, disobedience, insubordination. Antonyms, submission, obedience. 12. Unlettered, adjective.
Impar, La ilm, Adabi zauq se aali.
of a person, poorly educated or illiterate. Synonyms: illiterate, uneducated, poorly educated, untaught, unschooled, untutored, untrained. Antonyms: lettered, educated. 13. Attainment, noun.
हुसूल, हुनर.
The action or fact of achieving a goal towards which one has worked. Example: the attainment of corporate aims. Synonyms: achievement, accomplishment, realization, realizing, fulfillment, fulfilling, affecting. Antonyms: not. Also not, non-fulfillment. 14. Humane, adjective.
नर्म दिल, इंसानी.
Having or showing compassion or benevolence. Example: regulations ensuring the humane treatment of animals. Synonyms: compassionate, kind, kindly, kind-hearted, considerate, understanding. Antonyms: cruel, inhumane. 15. Dubious, adjective.
मशकूक, मुबहम.
Hesitating or doubting. Example: I was rather dubious about the whole idea. Synonyms: doubtful, uncertain, unsure, in doubt, hesitant, undecided, unsettled, unconfirmed. Antonyms: certain, definite. 16. Abysmal, adjective.
नाकाबिल पैमाइश, गहरा, बेपना गहराई.
Extremely bad, appalling. Example: the quality of her work is abysmal. Synonyms: very bad, dreadful, awful, terrible, frightful, atrocious, disgraceful, deplorable. Antonyms: superb. 17. Malnutrition.
ग़िज़ाइयत की कमी, नाकाफी ग़िज़ाइयत.
Lack of proper nutrition, caused by not having enough to eat, not eating enough of the right things. Synonyms: undernourishment, malnourishment, undernutrition, poor diet, inadequate diet. Antonyms: fullness. 18. Negligence, noun.
गफलत, लापरवाही, बेपरवाही.
Failure to take proper care over something. Example: his injury was due to the negligence of his employers. Synonyms: carelessness, lack of care, dereliction of duty, non-performance of duty, non-fulfillment of duty. Antonyms: conscientiousness, attention to duty. 19. Stunted, adjective.
नशोनुमा रोकना.
Having been prevented from growing or developing properly. Example: the trees exhibit a stunted appearance. Synonyms: small, little, tiny, undersized, undersize, diminutive, dwarf, dwarfish, pygmy. Antonyms: promote. 20. Deficiency, noun.
कमी, कोताही, फुकदान.
A lack or shortage. Example: deficiencies in material resources. Synonyms: insufficiency, lack, shortage, want, dearth, inadequacy, deficit, shortfall, scarcity, scarceness. Antonyms: surplus. 21. Cripple, verb.
लंगड़ा, अपाहज.
Cause severe and disabling damage to, deprive of the ability to function normally. Example: developing countries are crippled by their debts. Synonyms: ruin, destroy, wipe out, crush, break, impair, hamstring, hamper. Antonyms: boost. 22. Eradication, noun.
जड़ से उखाड़ना, इस्तिसाल, मिटाना.
The complete destruction of something. Example: the eradication of poverty. Synonyms: elimination, removal, suppression, extermination, destruction, annihilation, extirpation. Antonyms: implant, import, instill, foster, propagate. 23. Ubiquitous, adjective.
हाजिर और नाजिर, एक वक्त पर हर जगह मौजूद.
Present, appearing, or found everywhere. Example: his ubiquitous influence was felt by all the family. Synonyms: omnipresent, ever-present, present everywhere, everywhere, all over the place, pervasive. Antonyms: rare, scarce. 24. Prevalence, noun.
पेला, तरवीज.
The fact or condition of being prevalent, commonness. Example: the prevalence of obesity in adults. Synonyms: commonness, currency, widespread presence, generality, pervasiveness, universality, extensiveness. Antonyms: disuse, desuetude, obsoleteness. 25. Catastrophe, noun.
آفة المياه سانحة.
An event causing great and usually sudden damage or suffering, a disaster. Example: an environmental catastrophe. Synonyms: disaster, calamity, cataclysm, crisis, holocaust, ruin, ruination, tragedy, blow. Antonyms: salvation, godsend. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.